Happy Monday, my good old friends of YouTube. It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to yet again another video. Cheers, by the way, guys. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers here on YouTube, which is nuts. I appreciate all of you for tuning in. So listen, in this video, you saw the title. You know the drill here, guys. We're going to break down SoundHound AI. It's currently about 8:30 a.m. on the East Coast, so it is the pre-market right now. And guys, SoundHound is moving. We have to go over my game plan for today, the charts, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. We're so close to 50,000 subs, guys. And get your stocks from Moomoo. It's free money. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, all you have to do is use that link down below or simply go to StasSurfFast.com/Moomoo. Get your free stocks. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it. So SoundHound AI, which you guys know at this point, has been one of the hottest, if not the hottest, in terms of price performance AI stock as of late, right? And on Friday, we closed at $20.50 after hitting about $19.40 in the morning on Friday, which, by the way, we actually double bottomed, and then we broke out on Friday morning. Pretty good news there for the bulls in hindsight, right? And now this morning, guys, you can see we opened up the pre-market session at about $20.50, which is right by, where we opened on or closed rather on Friday. So we opened right there in the pre-market today, and we've been climbing ever since. So we're up now in the last 2-3 hours here in the pre-market. We're up around 4% heading into open, which is now less than an hour away. So SoundHound, guys, we're holding the closing price from Friday. Momentum's building up into open here. This is a very good sign, right? What would not have been a good sign would be if we gapped down in the morning, we fell through the closing price Friday, and we started going back towards 20 and under 20. That would not have been good if we went for the lows from Friday morning. But the opposite's happening, which in my eyes, to me, this is telling me, okay, this morning, bulls are gaining an edge here, momentum heading into open, which is ideal. Now, the $1 million question, guys, and you're watching this video, I think, a little after open, will the bulls hold this green at open, right? It's gonna be a big test. Let's just say that, right? Because on this 5-day, 5-minute, we do have this downtrend, right? I just drew this trend line. You guys see that? And as of now, we're still technically under this trend line, which, guys, we have to break out of there. And for us to break out of there, the bulls to really gain momentum, we're going to have to take out the highs from Friday. Friday, we hit 22.25. My alert's a little above that at 22.50. If we're able to get out of there, SoundHound, excuse me, guys, could really start to pop again. And I don't know about you, but I'm noticing a cup and handle here. Do you guys see it? If I zoom in a little bit, we have a cup, right? You guys see that? And then we have the handle forming. Pretty clear as day. So cup and handle on SoundHound AI, it's pointing to a potential breakout here. But we just have to get out of this trend line on the 5-day, 5-minute, above 22.50 ideally. These levels need to break. And here, guys, on the 1-hour chart, there is risk of a head and shoulders. If I zoom in a little bit, there's risk of a head and shoulders. Look at this. We got the head right here. Boom. You guys see that? You guys see that? The head, the left shoulder is right here, and the right shoulder is right here, which, as of now, when I'm making this video, it's still intact. And the neckline, guess what, is at $22 and roughly 50 cents, which gives it even more reason, or it needs to break, right? It gives that level, it makes it even more imperative for SoundHound to break 22.50, for this head and shoulders to be thrown out the window. So that's just something to think about here on Monday as we're heading into open pretty soon here, and you're watching this video, at open pretty much when the market's just opened up. So SoundHound is looking interesting. But we just got to break 2250, and we're going in the right direction at open, or towards open. Let's just say that. And guys, SoundHound, at this point, for a little backstory, it's gone up like crazy. I mean, look, on the 4-hour chart here, this has gone up unbelievably, right? From $5 a share back in October. I wish I just loaded up the boat. The funny thing is I covered this stock many times over the last couple of months. I mean, not many times, but at least 5 times. I guess, is that many times? I don't know. Maybe to you it is. Whatever. But we called it out, and I did not, buy long-term shares. It is what it is, man. It happens. You can't catch them all. But, man, this thing has gone up like crazy. And now I'm looking at it like, all right, are we gearing up for another move? Is there a trading opportunity? Which is why we're obviously covering it here on this video. So my alert is set, 2250, and mind you guys, we're holding an uptrend still. Higher lows are being made. We're actually starting to break over these moving averages on the 1-hour chart, which is a good sign, but we got to get the full-on breakout, which is what I'm waiting for. And by the way, right now, it's pre-market. When you're watching this, again, the market's open, but right now the indexes, man, the futures are going crazy. S&P futures are up 0.75%. Nice move here in the ES. You guys see here, and of course my Thinkorswim is freezing right now. Of course, right when I'm making a video. Oh no, we're back. You guys can see on the intraday. The E-mini S&P 500 index futures are up 0.75%. Beautiful uptrend, right? So, man, if this holds, we're in store for a nice, juicy green day, guys. Russell futures are up over 1%. Looking fantastic. Let's see here. I mean, NASDAQ's up around 1%. NASDAQ futures, really good move. Nice move there. Where the heck's the Dow? Dow futures are up about 0.5%. Guys, we're moving across the board, and stocks are gapping up. Great sign to start off this week, and it's a short week, by the way. The markets are closed on Thursday to honor Jimmy Carter, President Jimmy Carter. I'm sure you guys have seen that, so keep that in mind. It's a shorter week. But yeah, either way, it's going to be a good one, at least a good start to the week, considering all the futures are up right now. Stocks are gapping up. I mean, big tech is gapping up. We have stocks like Alphabet moving up around $1 something. But now it's actually selling off a little bit, in the pre-market, but it's still up around $1. I guess it was up $2, before this little sell-off here, but either way, we're gapping up. Stocks are looking good, guys. Apple's pushing 245. Amazon's pushing 230. Nvidia, which I'll make a video on probably tonight after the market closes. Nvidia is pushing 150 right now in the pre-market, guys. Things are looking good. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments on SoundHound, the other stocks, the markets in general. Let me know in the comments. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my Patreon as well if you want to keep up with what I'm doing in my portfolio every week. And there's other perks on Patreon. That is linked down below. And don't forget to get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, come on, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.